In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover an unsaved document using Microsoft Word. We all know how frustrating it can be to lose hours of work due to an unexpected shutdown or accidentally closing a document without saving. Fortunately, Microsoft Word has a built-in feature to help you recover your unsaved work, and that's what we'll dive into today. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once you're inside Word, you'll be navigating through the menu to find the tool we need. If Word is already open and you want to recover an unsaved document you were working on, you're in the right place. Now, let's move on to the next step. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll see the File tab. Go ahead and click on that. This is the gateway to a variety of options. From the File menu, look for the section labeled Info. Clicking on Info will present you with multiple options for managing your documents. Here you'll find the Manage Document option. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here you want to select Recover Unsaved Documents. After selecting this option, a new window will pop up displaying a list of all unsaved files. This is where the magic happens. You'll see all the unsaved files that Word has managed to hold on to through its auto recover feature. Carefully browse through the list and find the document you're hoping to restore. Once you've identified it, simply click on the file to select it and then click Open. At this point, your previously unsaved document should appear on your screen. It's crucial to save it immediately to prevent losing it again. To do this, go back to the File menu and choose Save As. This will ensure your document is stored safely on your computer or your preferred storage device. Here's a little tip for you. The auto recover feature typically saves your work every 10 minutes by default, which can be a lifesaver. However, if you want to adjust how frequently your work is saved, you can do so by navigating to File, then Options, and from there go to the Save section. Here you can alter the time interval for auto recover to a frequency that suits your workflow better. And there you have it. Following these steps will help you navigate through Microsoft Word's built-in options to recover those unsaved documents and prevent future loss. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to save your documents frequently as you work. It's a simple practice that can save you from a lot of headaches.